Yes, I named my first boat. It was Zanzibar because I like being on a sandbar. Not literally the boat on a sandbar, but anchoring and embarking on a sandbar. Very first boat I got to play captain on was a boat that I bought at a boat show. Best time to buy a boat. And I bought this 26-foot Baja. I'll never forget it. And I got out there and we started water skiing, and I get all my friends at the marina and we'd go water ski all day long. When I got the first boat, I did have wow moments. It was really cool because when you're cruising down the Intracoastal Waterway, because to me that's where the most fun is in the ICW, because it's safe. And secondly, you're not dealing with big waves. So the aha moment was when I pulled up to Shooter's Restaurant on my boat to have lunch ashore. It was very cool because I used to work on a boat years ago for a guy. We always went to Shooter's in Fort Lauderdale and had lunch, and I was the crew member. Now I was a boat owner. It was really cool. So, like I said, years ago, I didn't learn everything there was to learn before I went water skiing in a certain area. So now I make sure that I Google the rules, or you have these guidebooks on board. I didn't have all those guidebooks before. In my business now, there are certain books that are required by law. And on your boat, you should have the rules of the road on board, along with the cruising guide of the area that you're in, and read that before you leave the dock. I wish I would have done that. That's what I learned. Before I became a super yacht captain, I used to maintain the boat that the guy taught me how to drive. I changed the oil, I changed the fuel filters. So maintenance for me on a personal boat and a boat I work on is the same. You want to maintain that vessel because when you're out there on the sea, you want to make sure that you have it maintained. You don't want to get stuck out there. On these super yachts now, I do have chief engineers and second engineers. I kind of stay out of that, but they do report to me as far as the maintenance logs and fuel logs. So I'm always in the middle of everything. I just say stay in the middle, learn as much as you can, and make it fun. I personally prefer a 55-footer because on a 55-footer, you can run that boat with one other person and you don't have to have a big crew. So I love the smaller boats. I can't afford a super yacht. I would charter. I don't care if I had all the money in the world, I would charter a super yacht, but I would own a 55 to a 75-foot boat.